Hi, I'm the barbecue butcher. I've been butchering for over 20 years all around the world. And today, I'll be tying a pork loin. The reason we tie meat is to keep it in shape when you cook, and it's easier to carve, and it makes the end product look really nice. So today, go right in the middle of the first piece of meat that you have, pull it through to your left index finger, scoop this one under, make a loop. With your right hand, go through there, pull it up. Then with your right hand, pull it down and it'll tighten. Then to do a half hitch, get you this finger, make a loop, grab it, pull, cut it off. We'll do that again at the other end of it, over, index finger, round, make a loop, pull, crank, and we'll do a half hitch again. And we'll do down this end. Round, up, pull, half hitch, loop, pull. And put one in the middle here. Loop, through, pull. Half hitch on this one. Twist, pull. You can do as many strings as you like, but on a piece like this is ample for it. And remember, you can tie any type of meat you want with this same knot. It's very good. And remember, if you're new to my channel, to like and subscribe.